Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry levels, 33.454 to 37.940. Take profit targets. Target 1, 41.842. Target 2, 46.561. Target 3, 51.804. Target 4, 58.305. Target 5, 67.428. Stop loss level, 20.030. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully. Don't rush. Trade with simple lines, trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, move your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. This helps protect your profits and limit losses if the market trend changes. Enter after a pullback for best results. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not investment advice. Do your own research and use proper risk management before trading. We wish you successful trading.